love love. I love a romance. Oh my gosh, I think I might.
Up in that corner, right?
Hello from Puerto Rico. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm here for a wedding. I have been here for maybe this is my third day. It's super windy outside, so hopefully you guys can hear me. It's not super hot today. These past few days have been like crazy hot, like unbearable, but still nice. But it's not too hot today, but it is so windy. But I thought I would come outside so you guys can get the vibe, okay? Get the vibe of what Puerto Rico is giving. Look. Hello, gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. So, the wedding was so fun.
They are, yeah.
This is so gorgeous. I can't believe it.
So that every day and in every way, you'll be carrying a part of
Ebony.
And it's just nice to see, like, my friends are growing up. We're growing up. I can't believe it. So basically this is like a mini solo trip because I came here obviously for my friend, but I came here by myself. So yeah, we're just gonna chill, okay? I wanna walk around, get some food, get some water, girl. I feel like that old lady off of SpongeBob on that chocolate episode. That's how I feel dry. And then we're gonna go like hang on the beach for a little bit. And yeah, last night I tried retwisting the top of my hair. Girl, you do not know, look at me. You do not know what I've been through to be able to film this right now. I have you perched so precariously. I don't even know. I wish I could show you what it looks like, but I don't have a camera. And I'm using my phone to record right now because I don't know what is wrong with my camera and this SD card. But okay, I beat my face. We are on a time crunch. Oh my gosh. So I retwisted the top of my hair and I did the best I could with what I got. And I'm taking them out right now. And actually, like, let me get close, y'all, because I feel like I did a good job. Like, I only did the perimeter because I want to be able to, can you see that? See, I'm struggling. I think I did okay. Like, I did all right. And then, yeah, we're just going to take it easy, okay? Have a nice, chill day. Let's go. Okay, so we're taking a walk. I have to walk like a good 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, look at how pretty those flowers are. To get to the main hotel. And the main hotel is where I'm gonna get like food, water, civilization. What was it on SpongeBob? Food, water, atmosphere. But look at this. Gorgeous.
Que era la TRD.
Hola.
I know the lighting probably isn't. Actually, the lighting is okay, right? But yeah. Chilling on the beach. I've been on the beach for a few minutes, just relaxing, drinking some water. Okay, that wedding. Why is this not focusing? I think there's just so much wind, you guys. It's so freaking windy. I think my camera doesn't know what to do with itself. But yeah, we were drinking a lot, so it's time to just get back to center. The sun is out now. It's a beautiful day. I have been trying my best to read this book, y'all. I'm embarrassed to even say when I got this book, okay? But it was recommended to me, and it actually is really good. Like, I'm actually taking the time to read it right now, and it's really good. So it's all about, I think it's a bunch of different short stories, but it's all about love, and it's black, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna chill a little bit. The way that they were talking in this book, you guys. The way, oh my gosh, I had to sit up straight. Hold on, let me adjust my thing. Like, I love love. I love romance. Like, it's just so cute.
Now I should be recording.
It's recording now. And again, woo!
You got Cam over there in the light. The boys are playing football as boys do. And me, okay? With my little Modelo. Okay? Living the island life. Walking on to the water. Just getting my toes wet though. Okay? So basically, I thought this was a little solo trip today, but I happened to look out into the distance. I'm calling my little brother. I'm like, hey, you know, how's life? And I look into the distance. I say, is that Cam? Is that the damn bride? No. But her and like all her family were coming out. She was like, I was literally just about to text you. We're having a beach day. So look at that. Now I'm having a beach day. Don't check it from me. Paying my 10%. And I'm the DJ, y'all, okay? My phone is over there so it doesn't disconnect the Bluetooth. But listen to the waves crashing. Woo!